Lil TJ. Yeah. Gold digger, so I can't stand. I can see the haters through my Ray-Bans. I was shopping and rented a big band. My little brother locked up in the statement. Life is good and I'm thankful, so amen. Now I'm up to you asking for Nathan. I remember cool nights in the station. Swear to God, I ain't know what I'm facing. She's the one to pop us in, I'm facing. Out of town, I'm trying to duck from probation. Boy, toast, stretching my. Yeah, been getting lit, okay. It been like this all day. See why they tired, don't get no K. Eating good, this big buffet. Feel like a coach and I been cocaine. Young nigga ballin', I been like Trey. I hit you shorty, that made my day. I get a swag, I up my rate. And I got me a stash, but I don't know when. I need an opinion, it didn't depend. Why they talking my name if I didn't attend? Asking them questions, it feel like the fans. Live for the risk, I been on the edge. Came with a treat, she came with a leg. Nigga, you chatting, talking like Ted. We didn't care about what you said.
What it is, YouTube? For today's video, we're going to be playing the Mario Super One-on-One Challenge. So without further ado, if you don't know what that is, it's kind of just like a remake of Mario, first person, but instead of taking on Bowser, you're taking on Goombas. Crazy, sounds interesting to me, so we just gonna go jump right into it. Without further ado, if you're new to the channel, we stay lit over here, so don't forget to drop a sub, like if you enjoyed, and let's jump right into this banger. Let's get it. Yeah, whoa. Oh nah. First person pre this, yo. Goomba. I guess this makes you jump higher? Oh, I'm pissed. Red coin. Oh, pre this, yo. This is 30. You know me, I'm a big fan of Mario games, so first person Mario, that's just even better. It's got that like Call of Duty, but also, you know, kid Nintendo feel. 30. I love this. Oh. Nah, pre this, I am going crazy. Oh, a star, yo, what is it? Yo, what the? Yo! I don't even know what this does. This is, yo! Nah, this tube looks suspicious. Oh, yo! Where? Yo! I knew it! I was like, yeah, you can't play a Mario game without having a tube somewhere you can enter. What is this? Yo. This guy's yellow? Like, what is going on? What is this? Yo, where am I going? Yo! Oh, nah. I'm really discovering this out. Oh, yo! Yo, look how big that thing is, yo. That Goomba's huge. Yo, that just knocked him out of space. Yeah.
Been getting lit, okay. It been like this all day. See why they tired, don't get no K. Eating good, this big buffet. Feel like a coach and I been cocaine. Young nigga.